Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. This is Dave from DLLM Cactus. You can see it is Christmas time. So just wanted to do a little quick unboxing. Got a couple packages here from some great growers in California. So going to be doing one from June's Cactus and then also one from Dave's Bud, Cactus Dave there in San Diego. So without further ado, let's get these opened and see what coming to the house in late December. Had some unseasonal weather here this year, so we were still sitting in the 60s and 70s this week. And I know it's been a little bit warmer out there in California, so probably 75-ish the last couple of weeks. So great weather, and then let's see what kind of plants we got. All right, start with the first one here. Oh, that's nice. This one's going to be Mammillaria microtheli. It has it's a clump with a crest here on it. That is really pretty. Definitely love that. Try not to make too much of a mess here. Let's see what we got here. This was off of Palm Street, and I ordered a couple of different days, but it all came down to the same shipping. Let's see here. Oh, this is cool. Wow. Get some more roots going on that, buddy. But yeah, I forgot exactly what this is. It's a monstrose. I want to say Echinocerius, but I'll write it down there on the bottom of the video. Super cool. Look at that. It's like a face sitting there staring at you. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. Oh, nice. This is that Bergesiae monstrose, kind of the peen cactus there, but crested. Trichoserius Bergesiae monstrose, TBM, crested. So that's a cool piece. Might have to graft that and make some more of that. Excuse me. And this is a little guy. Got there. Oh, nice. Tiny roots. It's a little Bochii. Epithelantha Bochii. I have to get some more roots going on him. A lot of these are like fresh imports, but it'll be cool because I have some time in the winter here inside to kind of get them rooted up and ready for spring. Let's see what we got here. Oh, cool, cool. Love that. It's a two-headed Schumannii. So Mammillaria Schumannii inermis. Super cool. Three-headed, if you say that. Another offset starting. Then one more here. Believe that is it. Yep. Oh, yep. I just added a Tefro Geometricus. I think this one, when it was on sale, was like $8. So just wanted to have something. Probably going to try to graft it. Super cool. So nice little tray of plants there from June's. And then we will move over to I'm Dave's Bud here. These are like growing around his property, and he does cuttings. And this is the first time I actually bought from him. Buy from June's a lot. Have some cool cactus from him, but this is the first time from Dave. So excited. Want to kind of get these cuttings rooted up over the winter, like I was saying. Oh, cool. His little tags for him. Ooh, super cool. Oh, dang. He put thanks, David. Love that. Look at that picture. Yeah. Cool. Let's see what we got here. Might need a glove, or should I try not to? We shall see. There we go. Nice little cutting of the TBM. Perfect. Want to grab one from him too, as I try not to get myself stuck. Super cool. That Bridgesii Monstros again. And this one, kind of push here. I don't know how big of a spike this is going to be on the spines. There we go. Oh, cool. So this is Tig times Yowie, cut on December 10th. That's beautiful. Really nice. So I'm going to get that one rooted up. Try not to get stabbed there. And that would mean the other one is a VMP. This one's a little heavier. Whoosh. Yeah, probably going to need to get gloves on this one. Always get the Fej deck. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, that's a thickums. Nice. That is a nice, thick cut, pretty. Look at that thing. You can tell he did a nice like hormone on it right there too. Growth hormone. Because it's nice and kind of swollen. But that's a cool cut. That one's called VMP2. Cut on November 24th. So that's like ready. Awesome. So VMP stands for variegated mother plant. So this one doesn't have variegation on it, but it's in its DNA. So really cool plant. Can't wait to get this one rooted. Love how that grows too, man. That thing is just shiny. Great plant. Perfect. So that is the unboxing for Christmas. These are all the plants that we got. I'm excited. Gonna get these rooted. Gonna probably do some grafts off of a couple of them, and then yeah, just definitely let's get this going for 2026. More videos to come, but just wanted to kind of show you what I have coming in late December. A couple little small projects, but some cool stuff from some cool guys to buy from. All right, got these all potted up out back here. It's going to be the Mammillaria schumannii inermis. Super cool plant. That's going to be the Mammillaria microtheli. Has the crest in there as well. This is the Trichocereus Bridgesii monstros, the TBM. crest. The regular Monstrose right there, TBM. This one's going to be the Lobivia Schaeferi Monstrose. He's saying hi to you right there. This one's going to be the Tig Cross Yowie. So that's Bridgesii and Pedro. And then the VMP variegated mother plant Pedro right there. And then have the smaller Epithelantha Boekii. And then the kind of spinier Tephro Geometricus. But thanks, everybody. Almost New Year's. Let's get this 2026. See you on the next one.